Welcome back to Creating with Poet Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean up a coloring page like this. How I clean it up to make it like black and white for a coloring book. Okay. Okay. Actually, I made this in Canva Design Lab. I put in my prompt, but it still gives me coloring colored plants on it, but it's not something that I wanted. But I'm happy that the unicorn is black and white, and that's what I want. So I'm going to show you how we can change this up. Okay. Okay. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Magic Studio. Is Magic Studio here? Edit. Come on now. Magic Studio. And I'm going to grab the unicorn. Okay. I think the click will work. When we click on click, and then we go in here and you see it selected the unicorn for me, and that's what I want. Okay, I'm going to click on it and then I will ask it to grab it for me. It will grab it from the page. Grabbing is like another form of removing background, like uh, break apart pieces, like take one and leave the other. Okay, so I grabbed it. You see, I have it here, and that's what I wanted. Okay, we still have this here. I don't think I'm going to use it. Actually, I'm going to put it on another page. I'm going to copy it and put it on another page. Okay, now I'm going to delete this one. Delete it. I'm going to work on this little lady here. She came out really cute. Okay, there are colors on it as you can see. Pink, and purple and all that. I want to have it on black and white. So no grayscale, nothing. Look what I do. I go to edit, okay? And then I go to adjust. And in here, we are going to adjust the colors. And I'll scroll down. Look what I do. I will use anything in Canva to reach my goal. So I went to brightness and I brighten it up. The pink is still there. Contrast, I ran contrast up. Highlight, I ran highlight up. It's still there, but at some point it will. I don't want shadows. Okay, this shadow thing doesn't work. Whites, I want the whites white. You see, much of the pink is gone. Okay, I want my black to be black. Like do you see the difference? Check here. Check here at her eye. When I bring it back, it will gear. You see that? You see the difference? Okay, I want my blacks black. And then I'll go down and here you actually the pink here it's in here too. So I'm going to click on it and go here to color edit and I'm gonna run the brightness up. Wait. I'm gonna run it up here and then I'll take it up. Let me see. Okay, here it becomes black. We don't want it in black. It's also pretty in black, but I don't want black. Let me see where this problem is. Brightness. It's somewhere. Saturation. Yeah, right here is it. You see that? Forget this one. Oh. Let me go back. I reset everything. Let's go back. Let's go up here. Brightness. Brightness there. Contrast. Highlights. I ran everything up. Whites. I want the whites and my black. Okay. I go here. Saturation. No. Here. And then I go down here and I choose this one and I put the brightness up. And then I go to saturation and I brought the saturation back. So you have to pay attention to color and color edit. And here are the lights. Like, go and play with it. It will work. Go and play with it. So we went from like this image here. We went from this with all the colors to this here. A cute coloring page for kids. Okay, so get in there and select it, get in here to adjust, and then you adjust your colors. But the magic lives in here and in here. Okay, lives in here and in here. Go and play with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down here. Yeah, let me know.